Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering up and loading the maps you need. This saves time on the trail. Turn on GPS, set coordinate format to the one your guide uses, and establish a fresh waypoint at the trailhead. Once done, verify map tiles have downloaded and confirm the unit shows a satellite fix. While you're still at base, adjust backlight and track log interval so battery and accuracy balance. This first step reduces confusion and gives you confidence before moving. Now you move into active navigation. Load the route or select a waypoint and press Navigate. The device will guide you with bearing and distance. Follow that while checking the map frequently. Make sure track recording is on so you can retrace steps if needed and set the interval to preserve battery. Use north up when planning, then switch to track up when hiking for intuitive direction. If off-route, stop, reorient using landmarks, and reroute to the closest trail junction to stay safe. As you finish, save the active track and any new waypoints so you don't lose recorded data. This also lets you review distance and elevation later. Export or sync to your phone or computer when possible for backup. If something goes wrong, first move to an open area, then toggle the unit's GPS or switch batteries. If satellites still fail, revert to your paper map and compass and use the saved waypoints as reference. That wraps navigation and preserves your trip data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.